Guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you have not been to my channel yet, my name is Jenna Lee, and today I am doing a different type of video. I am doing an ASMR video on me opening up my Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery box. I'm in South Korea, so it takes a little bit longer to get these things to me. So let's get things started. I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that came in the packaging that they basically packaged around the box because it'll be good for the sounds in this video. So it came with a lot of cute red tissue paper. Alright, I have not, if you can see, there's still tape on the box. So I have not opened this box at all. I haven't watched any of the reveals. This is going to be my first reaction to seeing everything in the box. I'm going to use these little scissors to open the box. This is probably not going to be the best ASMR video, but we're trying here. As you can see here, this is the Valentine's Day mystery box, the premium. I was unable to get the other boxes, though I did definitely try to do that because I wanted to see what was in all of the boxes. So let's go ahead and open the box now. Ooh, the first thing I see is some lip gloss, and it says the gloss on it, if you can see that. There you go. That's how my nails sound on this box. And it says 2 finishes: glitter, fantasy, and extreme shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. Ooh, the color of this is succulent. That's a fun word to say, succulent. Struggling to get this out of the box. There we go. Ooh, this is very pretty. And of course, you got your Jeffree Star lip gloss packaging. I've actually never had. Oh, I probably was holding that upside down. There you go, the gloss. I have never actually had any Jeffree Star lip gloss. I've actually only had the Conspiracy palette. So I'm starting to get into Jeffree Star's makeup and everything. This box has me really excited. So there's my nails on the lip gloss. I have some chapstick on, but we're going to put some on over this. So let's see if you can hear this. It actually smells really good too. Ooh, that is really pretty. That was a good sound, hopefully. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay, this camera does not do it justice because this is a very pretty gloss. Alright. So the next thing I have, which I was kind of sad because I know in the like medium-sized box, I don't remember what the exact name of it was, but it asks you for a size because you get like Jeffree Star apparel in it and stuff. So I was really sad because I didn't think I was going to get anything, and I'm actually really excited because got a beanie. Now, I'm not gonna put the beanie on because my hair's up in a ponytail right now, but I'll probably take a picture after I get the gloss on and some other things on, and I'll have my hair down and I'll post that on my Instagram, which I will put right here. Alright, so let's open up this beanie. Alright, so on the front of the beanie it has 3 hearts with the Jeffree Star logo, and then it says Jeffree Star. I am actually extremely excited about this because it is so cute. And I did forget to mention earlier that this box was $60, and honestly I've only opened the first 2 things and I'm already like, oh, it was worth the money. I'm so excited for this. And I also want to say that the packaging and like the tissue paper that Jeffree Star has is amazing. I will show you guys the other tissue paper that's in here in a minute. Next thing is a Jeffree Star pop socket, which is awesome because I needed a new pop socket because mine broke. Alright, so we have some more red tissue paper. Now this is what I'm really excited for. The tissue paper is so pretty. So there's that. And if you can see, it's got the aliens all over and the Jeffree Star logo, and it's a very pretty green color, and it has like sparkles in the green. I don't know if you can see that, but there's that. So let's open it now. I'm so sad. I shouldn't have ripped it like that. This was such pretty paper. And we've got some bubble wrap. Oh, it's the Jeffree Star Alien Cosmetics. Oh, perfect. You can see my camera in it as well. That packaging is amazing. The like galaxy-like, and it feels really nice. So let's open this. I'm very excited. Very, very excited. Yay! I do not have this, so I'm very excited about it. Oh, this is so... I love it. I love the alien theme. Oh, and the colors are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to play with this and hopefully create a cute look, because I'm not that good at makeup yet, but I'm definitely trying. So, oh, it's so pretty. I might have to swatch these colors too. I'm not very good with greens yet either, that's for sure, so I am excited to try this out. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of the colors. I'm not gonna do like any of the neutral colors. I am gonna do the Pluto because it's like a shimmery off-white color. I don't know how to explain that, but like the neutral matte colors, I'm just gonna leave those. I really want to swatch the shiny like greens and this deep purple that's called Area 51. Of course I'm wearing a long sleeve when I want to swatch colors, so here we go. I'm gonna do it on my hand. so I'm doing the Pluto color first. Oh, these feel so silky. That is a very pretty, if you can see it, shiny color. It's actually really, really pretty in person. This is kind of hard. I'm not used to doing stuff like this, so let's see if I turn the light up. Okay, so now I'm going to swatch the alien color. I'm actually kind of sad that the first time I'm using these, I'm dipping my fingers in it, but oh, that is so pretty. There we go. This camera is just not doing it justice. There, you can see it a little bit better. Oh, that's Pluto and Alien. Okay, so the next color I'm going to do is Abduction. These just feel so nice. That third one right there, that's called Abduction. I like that a lot. You can see it there. Alright, so now we're going to do UFO. This is like a gold color. Oh, that's so pretty, and you can see it. Oh, look how good that looks. It's a little blurry. Alright, so now I'm going to swatch Flying Saucer. That looks really good too. Fingers are all clean, mostly. My thumb's not really cooperating with me, but we're going to swatch a couple more shades, and the next one we're going to do is Moon Rock. Alright, so I'm going to lift my sleeve up for this one. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, and it goes on so nicely. This does not even do it justice. You can't even see the shimmer. I'm so sorry, my camera's not the best. Let me see. There we go. I need to do this on the front of my hand again. Alright, so this one, there we go. That is Moon Rock. Moon Rock. You can see it on my finger. Okay, the next one we're gonna do is Area 51. I'm really excited about this color. Okay, this one should be fine on my wrist because it's not like a shimmery color, it's more of a matte purple. I'm so excited though. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna have makeup on for me. Oh, this Space Cowboy shade is so pretty. And this swatch, of course, is not going to do it any justice. So hopefully I can make a good look. See, you can see, but there is the Space Cowboy. This is extremely difficult to do. I promise I'm trying. Well, good thing I'm only swatching one more color, and it is called Probe, and I'm actually very excited about this color too. So I want to do this one on my wrist, or like, not my wrist, but like the front of my hand, so that you can get, although this is not the color I expected it to be, but it's like, because it looks different on the palette, but you can kind of see the blue shimmery in it. If you see it on the palette right here, it looks like a blue shimmery color, or like, I wouldn't say blue, but it definitely turns out a different color on here. But I wouldn't say it looks, I don't know, it's like blue shimmery. But it's, you can see the shimmers. That's what color it looks like right there is what color it looks like all over the palette. When you put it on, it's almost like brown undertone, if that's the correct verbiage. And then it has that like teal shimmery color over it. It's really, really pretty though, and I'm super excited to attempt to make a look out of these shades because they are just amazing and they feel amazing on like my fingers and when I like swatched them. So I'm very excited. There's actually an Interstellar shade on here that I really like too. So with that is everything that I have. I got the Jeffree Star Pop Socket. I got the lip gloss in Succulent. I got the Alien palette, which I'm so extremely excited for, and this beanie that I'm very excited for as well. So that is it. I hope you liked my attempt at an ASMR video of unboxing the Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery box, the premium. Again, this box retailed for $60, and I think with everything I got in it, it was well worth the $60. I'm very excited for everything, and I can't wait to do a look with this Alien palette. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, and check out some of my other videos and leave me some comments below, and that's all I got. Thank you. See you guys later.